Good morning, Ms. Wells. Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow, so you were facing up to a year in jail and/or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present.
All right, let's break this down. Driving while swerving, slurred speech, and failing all sobriety tests. That's 3 strikes before we even get to the brutalized lock in at a whopping 296. That's nearly 4 times the legal limit. Question for you all. Should someone this impaired even be offered bond? Let me know in the comments.
If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On February 15th, officers were dispatched by the Harris County Transit Authority dispatch to a reckless driver in the 5200 block of South End Houston Tollway. Officers observed the vehicle fail to maintain a single lane and nearly strike 3 different vehicles. A traffic stop was initiated. Officer observed slurred speech and disheveled clothing. The defendant admitted to drinking. SFSTs were performed. 6 out of 6 HDN with verbal nystagmus. Officer was not able to conduct the walking turn in the one-leg stand due to being unable to maintain her balance. The defendant consented to breath, came back as a .296 and .297.
Any prior DWIs?
No.
Ms. Wells, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go.
Whoa, Judge Fliescher just dropped the hammer. This isn't just a bond condition, it's a warning shot. When he says, "I'll do it for you," means jail time. Judges don't play counselor unless they think someone's teetering on the edge. What would you do in her shoes, Rehab? Or risk it?
Forward with the case. Can you run your license as well, please? I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. If I find that you consume anything, I'm going to revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you have a problem with drugs or alcohol, now is the time to address it, because if it becomes an issue, I'm going to do it for you. And I promise you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
It's about the terms.
Okay, you are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. If you don't have car insurance, you may not drive. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tell me, do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? I'll have you fill out an application. I'll see whether you qualify for an appointed lawyer. If you do, then we'll appoint you someone. For now, I'm going to have you meet with Victoria. We'll have you sign a reset. You'll eventually get with Felicia your bond conditions, and then Deputy Miranda will give you an application there. Are you Miss Andre?
Yes.
Miss Andre, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and/or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you.
His just escalated fast. An alleged breakup, a shattered wine bottle, visible injuries, and now a protective order. That means 0 contact, or she's going back behind bars. Here's something to think about. Should the law treat dating violence the same way as spousal abuse? Drop your thoughts below.
You have the right to have an attorney present. If you're not afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On February 16th, officers were dispatched to a disturbance in Harris County, Texas. Officer made contact with the complaining witness, who stated that he and the defendant had been in a 2-year dating relationship. The complaining witness stated that he broke up with the defendant and was trying to kick her out of the apartment. And the complaining witness was trying to force her out. The defendant punched him several times in the body, bit him, and broke a wine bottle on his head. The officer observed an open wound on the complainant's head and bite marks.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. There's a protective order that has been issued in this case. I would get to know it. If you do something to violate that protective order, the state can and will file a violation of protective order against you. Now's not the time to fight your case. I mean, if you need a lawyer, we can help you with that. Otherwise, you can go hire a lawyer and speak to them and they can help you fight the case. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, or would you like a court-appointed lawyer, ma'am? I'll have you fill out an application. I'll take a look at it. Hold on.
Oh, sorry. I thought
I'm issuing bond conditions on you now. You're not to have any contact. You're not to have any contact with this person. And I don't want you to have any weapons. If I find that you're a danger to my public, I'm going to revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand? Okay. Deputy Miranda, do you mind? Okay. I'll have you sign a reset and then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box.